Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. Before you give up on your coffee machine, why not try a descaler? I really love this one by Cafiza. I've been using it for several years and have always had good results. To use the powder, I find that it works best if you combine it with warm water. I completely dissolve it in the glass and then add it to my machines. I use this descaler with our single cup machine as well as with my espresso machine, and it definitely does an awesome job. We often have problems with our K-cup machine. It gives us that error message. Once we do the descaling, then we have a great fully working machine after using it. This product gets out those oils that develop over time when you're using your machine, and it's really awesome to use this. After flushing it through several times, I completely flush my machine out with water after, and you can definitely see the difference in the quality of the coffee that you get, the amount of coffee that comes through. It works awesome. This is definitely a great product, and that's my point of view.